stand on the standing order number.
Wait, look at this one.
Thank you, Speaker. Mr. Speaker, for the record, my name is Moracha, the FCA Assistant and also the Majority Leader. Mr. Speaker, I stand under standing order number 93, Mr. Speaker. Honorable Speaker, whereas the standing order number 61 and read together with the standing order number 6 of the Kisii County Assembly standing orders provide for the procedure of the removal of from the office, the holder of the office of the Deputy Governor. And whereas the standing order number 60 requires that the motion for impeachment to be disposed of within 3 days of being placed on the order paper, Mr. Speaker. Honorable Speaker, aware that the provisions of Article 47 require that every person has a right to administrative action that is expeditious, efficient, lawful, reasonable, and procedurally fair. Further, aware that pursuant to Article 196 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, the County Assembly is mandated to conduct its business in an open manner and public participation and involvement in the legislative and other business of the County Assembly and its committees. And Section 3 of the County Government Act gives the objectives and purpose of an act as to provide to public participation in which the conduct of the activities of the County Assembly as required under Article 196 of the Constitution, Mr. Speaker. And whereas the motion has been moved by the mover and the seconder, Mr. Speaker, I hereby beg to move the motion of adjournment to allow the people of Kisii County, Mr. Speaker, to give their views by way of public participation, either by memoranda or a questionnaire or any other manner suitable to the clerk on this motion for removal from office of Dr. Robert Onsare Monda, Mr. Speaker, by way of impeachment. Mr. Speaker, as you know, Mr. Speaker, Dr. Robert Monda, who is the Deputy Governor, was elected together with the Governor in the same position, Mr. Speaker, as the Deputy Governor and the Governor as the Governor. Now, these people who elected him, Mr. Speaker, it's fair for us as honorable members to give them a chance, Mr. Speaker, to come and participate in public participation, to know the nitty-gritty and what the Deputy Governor, Mr. Speaker, did, so that they can give few views on this impeachment, Mr. Speaker. And Honorable Speaker, I therefore now move the motion pursuant to standing order number 93 that the debate be now adjourned, Mr. Speaker, to allow these people to, Mr. Speaker, go for public participation, and ask my friend and a good friend, Honorable Jeremiah, Mr. Speaker, to second my motion.
Order.
Thank you.
Order. Let us do procedural order. Order. I have said order. You know, he has moved the motion of adjournment. Order. Honorable Moracha, order. You have moved the motion. You have moved the motion. We set with the secondment, then I give you time to contribute over the same, and we agree. Honorable Gemi. Order. Everybody's getting time to contribute.